Hi guys. Okay, so we are live again. I'm going to cook, guys. So evening live from Manila, Philippines. So actually, we don't eat dinner yet, and I'm going to cook good masala. It's an Indian dish. It's a good meat. So I already marinate the meat. Thank you. Hello everyone. Okay, so cooking time. So cooking time for today's live. So I actually already marinate the meat. What's this? Oh, my hair. Okay. Let me show you the meat that I marinate already. So this is the goat meat, guys. I already marinated with the turmeric powder, and I put onions, garlic, and some masalas. I also put ginger and turmeric powder. So yeah, so I'm going to cook now. So this is the masala that I'm gonna use. It's sikoma. So this is the seasoning that I'm going to mix with this goat meat. So yeah, I'm going to start now. Okay, so I already showed you. And now it's time to cook. I actually first time to cook this one. I'm just gonna read out at the back because it's see how you cook. So let's see, hopefully it will be come out good. My first time cooking of this korma. Okay, it's see. I need to fry the onion first. Okay. I forgot my cut this. Jana, where you put the masala that we bought today? Can you see? Yeah. Hello, Night. How are you? Welcome to my live. I'm cooking right now. Cooking for our dinner. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. I'm cooking goat meat. Hi guys. Welcome to my live guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up for those who are new to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Trying to close this, what do you call it? Pressure cooker, so that the meat will be cooked properly and faster. Okay. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. And welcome to my live. I'm cooking for our dinner. Cooking time. So I just need to wait for 10 minutes. you? Well, good morning, my dear. How are you doing this evening? Yeah, I'm cooking for dinner. So I'm cooking goat masala. It's a good meat with 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 curry, something like that. So I'm waiting for the meat to cook. I cook it in the, what do you call it, pressure cooker. So how's your sleep? Right now, what time it is in your country? That sounds very good. It's, what do you mean? It's 6 a.m. Ah, 6 a.m. I see. Still morning. I guess you're still in the bed watching news. Oh, I see. Right here, here in the Philippines is 9 p.m. I'm still cooking. We usually eat late because we sleep late also. That's why our breakfast is late. Well, you're welcome. Thank you so much. We went outside. We went outside to buy meat. I actually slept good last night. I did not wake up at all last night. That's great. Sometimes I wake up like morning, like when we sleep 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning. Then I usually woke up 6 or 6 or 8 o'clock in the morning to go bathroom. Then I go back to sleep. tried to go to your Facebook, but it was a problem with it, and I will try it again today. You can try this one. This is the name. That's the name in the top. Mary Judge. I try to type it, if I can type. I don't know how to type here. I cannot type in my own life. I cannot type. I guess my cook is ready. I it's done cooking in pressure cooker. Do you know where I commented on your video? Send it there. Okay, I will comment it. I'm trying to fix my link. Probably it's old link, so I need to put new one. Yeah, I already replied. Okay, I will comment on your videos again and you can send me the link. Okay. So this is my cooking area. That's the pressure cooking. Do you have a good day today? Yes, I do have a good day. Yeah, we went out for walk and then we went to the store to buy meat so that I can cook for dinner. So what is the plan today? Are you going out? Thanks for coming by to my live, Joss. I like adobo and I like curry also. Yeah, I like adobo too. This is the one I cook. It's curry. It's goat meat curry. Sometime I will cook adobo. Okay, so I guess just need to wait. Maybe need to wait 10 minutes and need to make it cool down the rice cooker, pressure cooker. No plans for today, just Saturday and nothing to do. Too hot here to get in the hot tub. Oh yeah, California is hot also. It's like Philippines. Or maybe the Philippines is hotter than California. I never had good meat. Wow. Oh yeah, that's good meat is great. It's good taste. So after we having dinner, we're gonna watch some movie. That usually we doing, that's usually we're gonna do. After dinner, night time, we watch movie, then we go to sleep. It's like that's our daily routine. I would like to lose weight and get more healthy. Like I told you, hopefully I can meet somebody that can cook for me. And yes, it is still summertime here. Oh wow, it is. I think over here, I don't, I don't know how many degrees. Let me see. It's 28. It's 28, so it's not that hot. That's time. No. It's 28 degrees. You should try, if you want to lose weight, you can do, what do you call it? Exercise or walking, at least walking. Sometimes I do exercise, but I'm also lazy to do exercise. I rather eat less than exercise. Well, ending summer. I love your skin tone. It's too beautiful. Thank you so much, Charles. Most of the Filipino, this is our skin. It's like, and this is our natural skin. I think it's cool down now. Yes, I'm lazy for exercise also. Yeah, I am lazy for exercise also. I rather not to, I rather eat less than exercise. But most of the time, if I eat a lot. But if I want to eat less, I can also go to eat less. Okay, really hot. Looks good. Okay, this is not done yet, but let me show you. That's the good meat. Yeah, that's the curry. But this is not done yet. I'm still need to continue because I still need to put some of the ingredients. This. Actually, it's my first time. Wow, that's look delicious. Actually, it's my first time to cook this good, this kind of dish. I already cooked good meat before, but different dish. This one is first time I'm cooking. I'm just read what is say at the back, then I cook, I try, and looks like it's come out good. Because at the back it see how you cook this meat and put this seasoning. But looks like it's come out good, so I guess I can cook again next time. So this is like the finishing. So I'm gonna wait like 5 5 to 10 minutes, and this is the finishing, and it's ready to eat. I put green pepper. I'm quite sure when your food is done, it will be delicious. Hopefully. Hopefully it will be delicious. Because it's my first time to cook this one. Okay. I'm gonna let my boss to try, you know? Yeah, okay. It's not spicy.
Give me some water. I cannot tell.
Huh?
You need to give me more.
Okay, I will give you
I
later.
cannot tell exactly. The only taste, when it's too much masala, it only takes a lot of taste in it.
Does your boyfriend plan on staying in the Philippines permanently? I guess so because he's living here for almost 8 years now, so he retired here also. So yeah, I think he planned to stay here in the Philippines now. He only uh, come out in the Philippines if he need to exceed, like after 3 years. You can only stay for 3 years here in the Philippines, and then you need to exit wherever you go. It's like as long as you just exit from the Philippines. Too much spicy, maybe it's not. my cooking my cooking look like it didn't come out good. Well, first time. Looks good, but too much spicy, I guess. Too much spicy.
So the only thing get red over getting better.
Yeah, okay. I finished the yogurt already. Yeah. Hello, Snack Miko. How are you? What are you cooking? I actually cook good meat, good curry. It's my first time to cook this kind of dish, but look like it didn't come out right. That's my plan also to stay permanently in the Philippines eventually. Yeah, that's great. I mean, Philippines is a nice country. Just need to find your partner to be with, and you can live here in the Philippines. Yeah, it's even here. It's inside. Yeah. I already washed. Because that's partner, Dana. That's my partner. Wait mo lang dito na Dana. Does your sister, your sister still stay with you? No. My sister is stay in my other sister now. It's already been, I think, 7 months. It's already been 7 months. She's not living with us anymore. getting hungry thinking about making some breakfast. Yeah, you should eat. It's already I think 7 o'clock. You should have breakfast now. I'm not sure my cooking if it's come out good or what. It's too much spicy also. I just add some hot water because it's too much spicy. Harvey cannot handle too much spicy. Jana, you wanna try again? Okay. Well, this time I add more sugar. No sugar. Yogurt.
Just give me the curry.
Huh?
Yeah, just give me the curry. So, but like I said, there's no choice. We can't do anything, so that's fine. With the rice, it'll be alright. Why didn't you put this out, whatever yogurt this is? Put curry, mix it, just gonna help.
Try.
Much better now. You can eat it right. See, but you cook, yeah, this is what I mean. You cook, so you know, go to bed, whatever. We eat or not yet?
Yes, it's almost 7 a.m. Yeah. Okay, I guess this is it. What if I will add more? Hurry. More hot water, honey. More hot water. I want to eat with the rice. It should be okay.
Yeah, it'll be okay. You're killing me softly. Okay, with the rice you can eat it. But then, what I'm saying is, go
Yeah,
outside,
good curry with rice, yeah. It's okay.
go outside, the food, put it in the microwave, that's in the small, white thing. That's all for you. Oh, yeah, like that.
Thanks for the thumbs up, guys.
I forgot to set microwave. I put it in the oven.
You pick it up, it's gonna burn. What if that thing is gonna burn, so pick it up, put it in.
It's like, it's very sticky. So what do I do?
Oh, it's still cooking.
Yeah, because I add some water so that it will.
These masala, they go back. Okay, bye, you need to climb up.
Yeah, I will fix it later.
You don't want to put it now?
Wait, I'm not done yet. Miss Mary, Kapampangan po ba kayo? Hindi po, Bisaya. Ano? Sa Winso, Malawi. I'm Bisaya po. Okay, that should be ready. You can eat. Okay, done cooking. Decline.
Okay, leave it here. Just leave it, let it. Okay, my phone available, not here.
Not yet. Okay.
Whichever. Huh?
You want here? Over there.
Over there, huh? What?
You
I don't know.
ulam.
Yeah, put it in there. That's fine. In here or Tupperware, the other one. Whatever we can do right now. We have Tupperware outside, you know that, right?
Yeah.
This charger doesn't work now.
Okay. Let me show you my finishing of my goat curry. So this is the goat curry. So how is going to eat now dinner?
What? I need a plate for the rice. Huh?
You need plates?
Yeah. Not plates, I only need a
I'm
plate.
just gonna finish my things. You can eat. Wow, that's look delicious. Maninamnam. Thank you so much. It's spicy. Food is ready. Wala pa I need to finish my things. You can start eating them.
Did you put plate?
Yeah.
Okay, come give me this food. Pay attention to the food.
Okay, my dear, I will talk to you back later. After you eat, I will go eat. Okay, just enjoy your food. I actually not gonna eat dinner, but I'm gonna have coffee. I'm not into spicy foods, but I can cook food for Harry, but I'm not into it. Like now I'm cooking, but I didn't eat. But I'm gonna have coffee while he's having dinner. And yeah, my son also is eating right now. Okay, my dear, you eat your dinner. I'm going to make my breakfast burrito. Wow, burrito. I love burrito also. Here in the Philippines, first time I tried burrito when we went to Angeles, Pampanga for breakfast, and I really like it.
When you come bring a plate here, you can come over there. And tell me if you like this barbecue this day one is from a
Where's
different
the next place you guys are traveling? Well, we just came from Bohol, Panglao. Um, I don't know yet where's the next traveling, but we are planning to go to to Thailand. To Thailand next travel. But we like Bohol actually, so that's why the next time when we travel to Bohol again, more than it will be more than a week. We are planning 1 month actually because we like Bohol and it's nice place also. Sisig, yes, sisig. Sisig, my son used to love sisig. His dinner last night is sisig. He always eats sisig, actually. Really, I love burritos. Yeah, I love burritos too. Um, because we went to Pampanga, and when we stayed at hotel, they have burritos. And the owner, I think she's from Mexico, so she's Mexican. So we tried the burritos because the hotel has a restaurant. So we have breakfast. And yeah, it's nice. I love burrito. It's really great for breakfast. So I'm gonna have my coffee. I'm gonna have this one. Coffee, cappuccino. Since I'm not gonna have dinner, like what I said, Charles, I can do less rice, but talking about exercise, I'm lazy. I am lazy to do exercise, but I can do less eating. How it is, Jano? You want breakfast? You want breakfast? You want coffee? You want coffee? I'm going to make coffee.
Later.
Okay.
So put my phone on the charger.
No, I'm not done yet. Actually, this is your phone.
No. Did you put haldi also?
What do you mean haldi?
For turmeric?
Oh yeah, for...
Maybe that's why. So when you put masala, it has everything.
Oh yeah?
You should read. When you put this kind of masalas,
I put the haldi when I do marinade.
I don't know, because I'm just saying. But you know, these masalas, they have everything.
Maybe next time I'm not gonna marinate then.
No, it's not marination problem.
It's too much spicy.
Yeah. I think it's too much turmeric.
Well, because I put also green pepper. You think that's not the reason?
I think it's too much
Because
turmeric.
the masala itself, the seasoning, it's already spicy. And I add more green pepper.
Green pepper?
Yes.
Fresh pepper.
Yeah. I will be back after I finishing eating. Okay, Charles. Enjoy your food.
Oh. I think I'll take a scoop.
Scoop what?
Uh,
Okay. Where is the next destination you are planning to visit? Next travel?
but that's it for now.
Huh?
Next level?
Yeah. What do you think the next destination will be going?
Depends what you want. Since I think I need a little meat.
You want more meat?
Yeah. Not bone.
Panglao Beach, Lubok River, sobrang ganda ma'am. Kaya lang 3 days kami sa Bohol. Yes po, sobrang ganda sa Panglao. Here we go, Jano. So I guess you like it.
No, it's okay.
Kayo po ba yung sa Winso, kayo po ba yung na-meet namin sa Panglao? Na pumunta din ng 3 days din sila ng vacation. We went to Bohol, Panglao for 6 days, and that's our second time in Panglao, Bohol, Panglao, and it's a nice place. The first time that we went there, we didn't really enjoy that much. That's why we went there for a second time, and we enjoyed this time. And we're planning for the third time. And that will be longer stay, like 1 month.
think you should read the the masala thing because I think turmeric everything is in there.
No,
I think, no?
if I cook also the butter chicken, it has a little turmeric, but I
Yeah.
still put turmeric in the when I do marinade.
Okay.
But I guess this is really strong.
Yeah.
So because it's
Just
my
put
first
half.
time, I don't know.
Yeah.
Next time,
Just put
I
half.
will cook. I
Put
will
half.
only put half of the seasoning, or maybe 1/4 lang.
Kill me softly.
Last year po January 21 to 23 kami galing Bohol. Kaya lang, tagbilangan
One scoop.
hotel namin ma'am. Ah, I see. Bali, taga saan po kayo? Sa Windsor. One more?
Okay, no, that's it. Thank you, darling.
Okay.
This should be it.
Kapangpangan po ba kayo? Let's have coffee. Coffee evening.
We have bread. The one you bought.
Yeah.
You can
I'm
put
gonna
your
have.
things. No?
Yeah. Actually, you're right.
You can put whatever. Peanut butter. Really, how's the barbecue?
Yeah.
No, you like this barbecue thing?
So
Or
I'm
no?
gonna have this bread partner with my coffee. We Filipino, we like bread with coffee, and we just dip into the coffee. Like how okay. Just like this, guys. Fiercely deep like that. San Fernando, Pampanga. Oh, okay. So it mean you are Kapampangan po.
The only problem is
Yeah.
the amount of fats.
Too much fat?
Yes.
He said that one is too much fat.
Which one?
The one you bought.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because that is ano talaga.
But what the pork is fat.
Mm.
That's the problem.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Legit Kapampangan, masarap magluto. Wow. Ano yung mga pagkain ng Kapampangan po? Siguro nakain ko na yung mga pagkain ng Kapampangan. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan, di ba?
I thought that's what I will be eating.
What?
That.
Oh, you don't want?
Huh?
But it's very spicy. But you can eat tomorrow, yeah.
What do you mean I did
I thought you said you want paneer. So instead of paneer, we buy this. But this we have enough tomorrow.
But then
But it's spicy.
I did not eat paneer.
Of course. Because paneer, I told you, emergency. If something happen, it's too much rain or whatever.
Emergency. They have a song like that.
I know.
So if there's
Emergency.
There's a fire.
I had a ringtone for my ex-wife. Emergency! Emergency!
You're crazy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I had a ringtone. So as soon as it rings, everybody is looking. What am I doing?
Oh.
Yeah. She knew that.
by the-
No, it was warning! Warning!
Warning.
By the way,
Warning! Yeah, baby.
so you're saying if there's a fire, so I just eat paneer?
Can you answer this question? If
What
there's a
is-
fire,
Yeah.
can you eat paneer? Fire where?
Why? Oh, because it's emergency.
Yeah.
Because you can only eat
Yeah.
that when
Yeah.
it's emergency.
I didn't say only. But you think you can answer this question?
I know, right?
Isn't it? What kind of
That's
question
like
is this guy? Too much negative, no?
I know.
Just put
We're just trying to tell you, Judas.
gaslighting.
Yeah, but
What we're trying to say that it is for you. I bought it yesterday also for you. But when we go out, they don't give me free barbecue, by the way. You know? I'm like, oh, let's buy for you because you like barbecue.
emergency if we have no choice, like example, you cannot go out,
Yeah. Or we have some food that he doesn't want to eat,
then
which
you can
happens all the
have
time.
that.
But that happens all the time that we have some food that he doesn't like. So it doesn't have to be fire. You can put peanut butter.
I think I like the one with peanut butter.
Peanut butter what? Oh no, I don't want.
Look, some idiot is there.
I don't know, these people, they don't even think.
Okay, but what about the police?
Every time if they passing by,
It's the
there's
police
like
job.
tin motor, what do you call it, what kind of motor is that?
Motorbike.
Just like,
Without
expensive
their exhaust.
motorbike.
No, it could
And
be regular.
no, this the kind of, like
Huh.
when you drive, your hand is like this.
Not necessary.
Yeah, that's the one.
The one that we saw the other day, that was a regular bike.
No, I'm talking about that mostly
Oh yeah.
who passing by.
It's like a gang,
and, yeah, it's like they're like a gang, and then they are like 10 people in the bike, big bike, and it's very noisy. And most of the time, the passing by, which is like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's
Yeah.
very noisy. Their bike. Oh my God! So they didn't even think that some people are sleeping at this time, and they are passing by
It's
their
little
bike.
spicy.
That's very noisy.
But it's getting better because of the
Yeah.
yogurt.
No, I put also cream.
Oh yeah. Okay, because I can taste the yogurt, so it's making it.
Okay. Specialty po namin sisig, but we cook exotic food like palaka, crickets. Oh yeah. Well, it's he's one of the favorite before. I don't know until now. Sisig.
Oh no, still.
And still, one of his favorite food is sisig. Oh yeah, yes. Last night,
No.
that his dinner. Jill, you can eat sisig 3 times a day? Huh? I
Nope.
think he can eat sisig 3 times a day because that is one of his favorite. Before, when you ask him, what you want to eat? Sisig.
Yeah.
And then after dinner, what you want to eat? Sisig. He always want to eat sisig. What does gingers are sparkling? What is this? Sparkling water. Sparkling water.
Okay, it was good, darling. Darling, I said it's good. It was good.
You're welcome, Jano.
No, I didn't say thank you. I said it was good, darling.
So what you want me to answer, Jano?
Oh, okay, I'll cook again.
Ah, okay, I'll cook again, my love.
Okay, darling. So next time you know
Anything
what
for my channel.
to do. What do you want?
I already got it.
I already gave you the money.
Yeah.
I already gave you salary for this month.
Excuse me, salary, you crazy. Talking salary.
If you were on salary, you will lose because you get much more from me. You know, getting this. Because if you're on salary, I don't take you on vacation. You pay for your own room.
What are you talking about?
You pay for your own flight, baby.
So it's mean, what is that? What does that mean, Jano?
Nothing, darling. It means you meet girlfriend, boyfriend, baby.
So does that mean you're just talking nonsense, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Because you make this much so spicy. I don't know what to say.
Okay. Because I just cook for you and why it's come to Salawi?
Aww.
If you want, I can cook for you again, my love.
Oh, good only. But next time you know what to do. And I didn't know what they wanted to eat.
By the way,
Well, you can still eat, but no, you don't eat. But it's
I
spicy.
I thought this was your phone.
I know, right? Her phone, my phone, everybody's using my things.
Yeah.
You know, this is Philippines.
Well, the squad is called
Yeah.
husband and wife.
No, 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 no.
Oh no, boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yeah. It's called sharing.
Sharing.
There you go.
Sharing things.
Silpa, not bad. Tomorrow will be better.
Okay, my
So
love.
the masala is going to sit down.
Tomorrow I can
Oh,
add
we can-
more hot water and
No, no,
then
no, 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 don't do that. Or we can add yogurt.
it's gonna be sour then.
No, it'll be okay.
It's whatever you
I don't
want.
know. I
As
don't know
long as you're
myself.
okay with that.
You the cook, you the chef. I'm the eater.
I'm the cook, but I'm the eater. I'm not the eater. I cook, but I don't try.
Oh, well, they gave you this also. Remember, you used to pay extra to buy this. Come
Oh
on,
yeah,
go.
just save it for me.
Of course, darling, it's for you. Everything for you.
It doesn't like vinegar.
Oh, you don't like?
No, I never eat.
Is it Filipino this time?
It's not Filipino actually. It's American right now.
I know.
He's changed it into American. You are not a Filipino. My son is not a Filipino anymore. Since he met this guy, who is this guy? And now he became a foreigner.
Yeah. He wants to try my sparkling water. Oh, well, dude, I don't eat that things. Guilty, mother.
No, I don't eat.
That is meat. Oh,
Yeah, but you know, I'm not
tomorrow. No?
hungry. You know, when I
Tomorrow,
drink my
darling.
coffee. Okay, tomorrow I will try to eat tomorrow. Tomorrow is my day time to.
You just put it in a small Tupperware. Well, you can eat this tomorrow, but I'm just letting you know, it's very spicy.
Heat is spicy, you know.
Oh, this is more spicy.
This is more spicy than before.
Of course.
I don't know. I mean,
It's tasty.
I love it spicy, but only Filipino spicy, right?
Oh. No,
Me.
this is. You're right.
Like kinilaw is spicy. Kinilaw.
No, because this, okay. That spicy is because of the pepper. This spicy is with so many masalas.
Yeah. So many
They
seasonings.
all have their own, exactly. They all have their own, what do you call, spice. Okay. That's what makes Indian food or whatever spicy, because of all this they use.
You gonna have your coffee?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Or maybe ice cream. Have some ice cream. That less spicy. Because it's my first time to cook this goat meat curry, guys. So I just try to cook. I mean, I already cooked goat meat before, different dish, and this one is another one that I would like to try. So looks like I put too much the seasoning because I just go what it say in the what do you mean, in the note of that seasoning. It say I need to finish the whole pack of that seasoning, but I should not finish it. That's why it's very spicy, it's very strong. It's very strong seasoning. But I guess how we handle it. Too much spicy.
We find out later what happens. Anyway, can you pass me a bar of chocolate I have in there? Yeah?
Okay.
Open that.
Which one?
Yeah, slide it up. There's a bar of chocolate. Oh, thank you.
You got it.
No, I didn't get it. You got it for me.
Okay.
This is what I was telling Waljit. I said we have chocolate at home. No, you want to buy from outside. Okay. clean up a bit.
Okay, malak.
So then you can sit together.
Yeah.
I don't eat coffee, but we'll eat apple later. No?
Yeah.
You can take, I'll take it out.
Thank you for the thumbs up, guys, and for those new to my channels, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that look at this noise. People are driving crazy, you know.
Finish it up. You have a little bit.
Sabi to bit. Okay, now done eating dinner, so it's time for me to wash the dish. I'm going to wash the dish na, guys. Let's continue our job. Okay, everybody's done. So I'm gonna wash the dish now. Baljud ko take shower na. It's time to wash the dishes.
Ito naman. Pwede mo na sa shower.
Go take shower na Baljud.
And give it and see. Hindi ko lang siya.
Okay, I covered. Yung bastos. Okay, well, Jade, you can go na, well, Jade. Hard to remove this thing.
don't know why you do it like that. Flour from it. I'm checking your phone that I think that's the only thing left that we have. And you can do. Because you know how you do it. You don't want to do anything in the house. You don't want to help anymore. I'm very tired. But I'm going to give you 2 minutes and after that I'm taking your phone. Okay? That's a very bad habit. But you don't want to help in the house. You don't want to do anything. Come. Come, get up and see how you charge this. Come. This, come, over here. I'm going before you used to break everything.
So what is it for?
Look, it's not charging. I mean, it's loose. I need your mama.
Diyan na.
You give me. No, but this is. Okay, give me a break.
Just finishing my dish, guys. And I think I'm gonna end my live also after 5 minutes. Oh, you get na.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me my phone. I need to go.
Yeah, after 5 minutes.
Ah. Maybe you should take care of the nose first, then take shower. And give me this empty, don't throw it. Don't walk like you're walking like a man. Still,
Ayan, oh. Okay. I'm done washing the dish.
done. Oh, yes.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this live. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Not the bad hand.
And yeah, bye guys, see you another live. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna do live again. Thank you so much guys for watching.